In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online. When your bank feed stops updating, it can cause missing or outdated transactions, which makes your books less accurate. Reconnecting the bank feed is usually quick and fixes most of these issues, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together step by step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. You're going to start by going to the Transactions section. Depending on your version, this might simply say Transactions, or it may appear as Banking. Click on that and then select Bank Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks lists all the bank and credit card accounts you've connected. Once the Bank Transactions page loads, you'll see a list of your connected accounts across the top or down the side, usually with their current status. Find the account that stopped updating or that you want to reconnect. Take a second to confirm it's the right one by checking the bank name and the last updated date shown on the screen. Next, from this list of accounts, look for the Update button. This button tells QuickBooks to reach out to your bank and pull in any new transactions. Go ahead and click Update. QuickBooks will begin syncing with your bank, and you may see a small status message or progress indicator while it works. This can take a few moments, especially if you haven't updated in a while. After it finishes, check to see if the missing transactions have appeared and whether the last updated time has changed. Often, this simple update is all you need. If the update doesn't work or the feed still looks stuck, you can try a more manual refresh. For this, you'll go to the Banking menu, then Bank Feeds, and then open the Bank Feeds Center. Here you'll see each bank account that has a feed set up. Find the affected account and look for the refresh icon next to it. Click that refresh icon a few times. Each click prompts QuickBooks to try again to connect and pull the latest data from your bank. After a few refresh attempts, return to your bank transactions view and confirm that everything looks up to date. By following these steps, you can usually restore your bank connection and keep your QuickBooks data accurate and current.